Today I'm going to be reviewing Cullaby's Rechargeable Latern 3000 lumens, a 7500 mAh battery. This thing is a powerhouse, literally. First of all, you can charge it, but it's also a power bank. Comes with a USB-A to USB-C charger, real easy to use, and you can get power or you can charge the unit up. Very simple to use. If you need a handle, this just flips up. That looks right there. Put it back down. It also has hooks on the bottom, and you can hang it if you're outside, maybe on a tree, maybe in your RV. Real easy. How to use the lamp is even easier. Just one touch button, 5 modes. Here we go, and I'm gonna show you something special too. There's the light, 1 light, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if you're on the bright lights, if you hold this down for more than 2 seconds, it will dim. Like that. So you can choose if you want it more dim or less dim, and it goes in steps. Go to the next light, same thing, only on the white lights does it dim like that. You can dim it real easily by just holding that down for 2 seconds. It's plastic, but it's a solid plastic. This has a plastic shield around it, very bright. There you go, right there. Amazon overall pick 4.7 stars on this, and last month, November 2025, over 500 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.